healthier you, unlocking the power of healthy eating. Welcome to my channel. Today we're diving into a topic that has the power to transform your life, the incredible benefits of healthy eating. Are you ready to feel energized, focused, and truly alive? Whether it's fueling your passions, conquering your goals, or simply feeling great in your own skin, it all starts with food. But before we begin, make sure to hit the subscribe button so you never miss our weekly dose of motivation and educational content. Let's fuel our bodies with love and begin this journey together. Healthy eating isn't just about calories or following strict diets. It's about vitality. It's about giving your body the nourishment it craves to thrive. The food you eat fuels every aspect of your life, your energy, mood, focus, and even longevity. Choosing wellness through your diet is one of the most empowering decisions you can make. Let me ask you, how do you want to feel today? Charged with energy, confident in your choices, fully present for your loved ones? It's time to make that a reality, one bite at a time. Imagine waking up each day feeling truly energized by filling your plate with whole foods like leafy greens, whole grains, healthy fats, and lean proteins. You give your body sustained energy throughout the day. Skip the crash from sugary and processed foods. Instead, fuel yourself with choices that power your body and mind. Healthy eating goes beyond beating that afternoon slump. It prepares you to take on every challenge with vitality and focus, whether it's tackling a busy workday, chasing after your kids, or pursuing your fitness goals. Did you know that healthy eating can significantly improve your brain power? Nutrient-dense foods like nuts, dark chocolate, and fatty fish nourish your brain, sharpening your focus and improving memory. If you've ever struggled to concentrate or felt mentally foggy, what you eat might be the game changer you've been looking for. Let food be your brain's ally in achieving your dreams. Food not only fuels your body but also your mood. Emerging science reveals the profound connection between what we eat and how we feel. A well-balanced diet filled with fruits, vegetables, and whole foods can help reduce stress, improve sleep, and uplift your spirits. Foods like berries, avocados, and fermented items, think yogurt or kimchi, promote good gut health, which plays a key role in emotional well-being. When you eat well, you feel good, from the inside out. Eating a balanced diet protects your body from illness and chronic diseases. Nutritional powerhouses like citrus fruits, garlic, and sweet potatoes boost your immune system. Reducing processed foods and embracing more antioxidants and whole grains helps guard against heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and obesity. Healthy eating isn't just a choice, it's your shield for a longer, more vibrant life. Let's address one common misconception. Healthy eating is not about restriction. It's not about cutting out all your favorite foods. Instead, think of it as abundance. Look at your plate like a rainbow of nutrients, offering unlimited flavor and variety. When you shift your mindset to embrace colorful fruits, vibrant vegetables, and wholesome grains, you see healthy eating as an endless opportunity, not deprivation. Here's the truth. Lifelong habits are built through progress, not perfection. You don't need a perfect diet. You just need consistent small steps to improve. Think about adding rather than subtracting. Add more vegetables to your meals, swap soda for water, or cook one homemade meal each week. Every small step brings you closer to positive change. One of the simplest and most powerful healthy habits is staying hydrated. Water is essential for nearly every function in your body. It regulates temperature, aids digestion, flushes out toxins, and combats fatigue. Start small. Keep a water bottle on hand, add fresh fruit for flavor, or set daily hydration goals. You'll be amazed how impactful this one step can be. Healthy eating doesn't have to feel overwhelming. Let's break it down into doable, practical tips that you can begin right now. You don't need to overhaul your diet overnight. Begin with one achievable change. Maybe this week you can swap out sugary snacks for fresh fruit, or try whole grain bread instead of white. One change leads to another, and over time, creates the lifestyle you desire. Eating healthily is so much easier when you're prepared. Spend a little time at the start of each week planning nutritious meals and snacks. Prep ingredients in advance to make cooking less stressful. Even small efforts can save time and help you stay on track. We live in a fast-paced world, but taking the time to enjoy your meals makes all the difference. Practice mindful eating by turning off distractions, chewing thoroughly, and truly savoring every bite. Slow eating not only enhances your relationship with food but also prevents overeating. Remember, healthy eating is a lifestyle, not a strict set of rules. Celebrate your progress and allow room for occasional indulgences. The key is balance, not rigidity. Try experimenting with new recipes, cuisines, and cooking methods to make mealtimes exciting and enjoyable. We all face challenges on our healthy eating journey, whether it's cravings, busy schedules, or lost motivation. But guess what? Every obstacle can be overcome. Cravings. Satisfy those sweet or salty cravings with healthier alternatives. Swap chips for air-pop popcorn or sugary treats for a piece of dark chocolate. Time constraints. Prioritize meal prep, batch cooking, or quick, simple recipes like stir-fries or smoothies. Healthy eating can fit into any schedule. Lapses in motivation. Reconnect with your why. Remember the energy, clarity, and vitality you're working toward. Surround yourself with inspiration like blogs, podcasts, or a supportive community. Healthy eating doesn't happen in isolation. Involve loved ones, share your goals, and build a community of like-minded health enthusiasts. Whether it's swapping recipes with friends or joining an online group, support and accountability make the journey more fun and fulfilling. By surrounding yourself with positivity, you'll stay motivated and encouraged to keep going. The beauty of healthy eating is that it's a sustainable, long-term commitment to yourself. Instead of focusing on quick fixes, think about progress over perfection. Celebrate every small win, whether it's trying a new vegetable, cutting back on sugar, or drinking more water. Remember, healthy eating is not a destination. It's a continual evolution toward becoming the best version of yourself. You don't need to wait to start. Make today your turning point. Pick one tip from this video and try it now. Whether it's drinking more water, cooking at home, or adding extra veggies to your dinner, one small change can inspire a lifetime of benefits. Together, let's fuel our bodies, uplift our minds, and embrace the vibrant life we're meant to live. Thank you for joining me on this motivational journey to unlock the power of healthy eating. I hope this video inspires you to nourish your body and take meaningful steps toward your goals. Remember, you've got what it takes to live your best life. It starts with your choices today. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let me know in the comments which healthy eating tip you're most excited to try. Let's inspire each other and make wellness a way of life. You've got this.